Hello guys, welcome back. It's been a while since I uploaded the videos. I got busy with my final year exams. So let's solve another problem in the series of important LeetCode problems. The problem name is sum of two integers. The name looks so simple, right? But there is a catch. That is, you cannot use the operator plus and minus. How can we solve this? Okay, you can use bit manipulation methods. I'll show an example. Sum of two integers without using plus and minus. Example 1. Here the a and b values are 1 and 2. It's simple, right? The result is 3. So when you represent it in bits 0001, 0010, the answer will be 1 and 0. When you add, it will be 1. 01 is 1, so it is 3. So it is simple, but you cannot use the plus operator. For that we are using XOR operator. So the XOR operator is, it will produce a 1 when the bits are different. So for example, if you have 1 and 0, the output will be 1. If you have 0 or 1, the output will be again 1. If you have same 0 0 or 1 1, the output will be 0. And if suppose here there is no carry, so yeah, let's see another example. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5, and 0010 plus 0011. So when you do the math, so 01 is 1, 11 is 0, and 1 carry. So the 1 will be written here. Yeah, here we are using XOR, right? 0010 XOR 0011. So 01 they are different, so 1 11 they are same, right? So 0 0 0. So here the answer is 1, and there is a carry, right? So we have to calculate the carry. First do an AND operation between A and B, and do a left shift by 1 for the resultant. So here 0010 and 0011, so the result is 0010. So because the AND output will give 1 only when you have both the values as 1, right? So yeah, 0010. And when you left shift this 0010 by 1, you will get 0100, that is carry is equal to 4. And again you have to do the same thing, and you have to continue until you will get the carry as 0. So now the A becomes 1 and B becomes 4. That's because here you have got answer as 1 and carry as 4. Now update the value A with 1, B with the 4. Again 1 plus 4 is 5. Yeah, it's a normal calculation. And here is the XOR operation. So 1 0 is 1, 0 0 is same, so 0 0 1 they are different, so 1, and we have got 5. Let's see if there is a carry. So 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0. So when you do AND operation, all the values are 0, so there is no carry. So now we have got the carry as 0. Stop when you get the carry as 0 and return answer. So the final answer is 5. Let's see another example. A is equal to minus 2 and B is equal to 3. This problem contains a negative value. If most significant bit is 1, it means the value is negative. If it is 0, the value is positive. And the rest of the operation is same. So first we got the answer as 5 and the carry as 4. So the carry is not 0. So again we need to update A and B value. A becomes 5, B is 4. Then yeah, again do the operation. When you do the XOR between A and B, you will get 1 as answer. And let's see if there is a carry. The carry is 0 and we got our answer. Yeah, that is all. Let's code now. First we need int answer is equals to a XOR b, and int char, right? So a and b, and left shifted by 1. Okay, next update a with answer and b with carry, and yeah, we need to perform these operations again and again when the carry becomes 0. So we need one loop, the condition is b not is equals to 0, and yeah, the loop ends. When the loop breaks, we have to return the answer, that is a. I think, yeah, that's all. It should work. Oh, I'm sorry. Let's submit the code. Yeah, it got worked. Thank you for watching this. Let's see you in the next video, and don't forget to like, comment and share.